The question is, an object is held completely immersed inside a liquid. It experiences two forces. Draw a diagram to show these forces and state the conditions when the said object will sink or float. Now, the two forces that acts on an object when it is immersed in a liquid are the weight force that will act downwards like this, and the upthrust force that will work in upward direction, okay, whose magnitude is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. Now, there are three conditions. First is when the object will sink. So when the weight force is greater than the upthrust force, that is in this particular situation, the net force acting on the object will be in the downward direction and the object sink in the given fluid. For example, an iron nail, a metal cylinder or a ball, a stone or a glass stopper sink in the water. Second is when the weight is equal to the buoyant force. In this particular situation, the net force acting on the object is zero. So it means that object will neither sink nor float but remain fully immersed in the fluid just below the surface as shown in this particular picture. For example, a plastic bottle, a mug filled with water remains immersed in water. Third is if the weight is less than the buoyant force. Now in this particular situation, the net force on the object will be in upward direction and the object floats as shown in the figure. In this situation, only a part of the object remains immersed in the fluid such that the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part of the object just balances the weight. For example, a cork, a wooden block, or wax piece, when dropped on the water surface, floats. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.